kailangan galing ni Sarah because the real Sarah is here.
Oo nga.
Don't let her down.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
So, girl, how does it feel na
Yes,
nandito
I was just
ang
gonna ask.
original na Sara Labati? How does it feel for you? Or does it make you more nervous? Or does it make you energized? Inspired?
Actually pressured because she's already here and together with her boyfriend too. So it's a pressure for me so that I can represent her well because I'm using her name Sarah Labati. I hope that I can.
Yes, I'm sure you'll be able to. Napagaling mo
Mukha
sa
namang natutuwa
talent.
sa'yo.
Oo.
Smile si Sarah.
Sana. Thank you.
Alright. You want to be a famous news anchor, and how are you working towards that goal?
After this, I'll try to apply for a job in Baguio City for a local TV station. So I hope that on the next round that I'll be applying, they'll already accept me.
Malay mo, maging remote ano ka na namin dito.
Yes,
Oo.
why not?
Yes.
We're happy here.
Good luck! O, ito na yung tanong mo. Isa na lang ang question na nandun sa malaking bowl. You have 30 seconds. Nako! Medyo, kayang-kaya mo to. The world is like... You have 30 seconds. The world is like blank. Go.
Okay, the world is like heaven. I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that I compared it to heaven because we people here, despite of everything that is happening in our society today, we still have the love for each other, and we still continue to grow and become who we are and reach for our dreams and reach for aspirations in life. So this is heaven for us. Heaven. We make this heaven on earth. Thank you and good evening. Good afternoon.
Ooh, baby,
Sarah.